Yeah, this week gold technical analysis. This is 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. I can remove this Fibonacci. See, is broke this trend line. Is correcting here. If we give any correction, little bit correction here, it will fall here. Maybe why? Because if I go 4 hour, see, it will take all this liquidity. Then from there, it will go up. Okay, it's not that far, but maybe around this area. 4200. Okay, like that. If it correcting here, it will come here, then it will go up. Yeah, if you want to sell initially, look for the sale setup. After this correction, then you can sell. So once reach this one, this area, this zone, be careful, close the sale setup and maybe look for the buy setup. If you broke very strongly, then it will go up to here also. Okay, right, thank you.